Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Mitsubishi Lancer radio. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Remove trim pieces with a plastic pry tool to avoid scratches. Unscrew the radio mounting bolts and gently slide the unit out. Disconnect antenna and wiring harness connectors by pressing the release tabs. Install new radio by reversing removal steps. Test power and speakers before reassembling trim and reconnecting the battery. Gather tools, 10mm socket, Phillips driver, panel pry tool, and clean rag. Keep screws organized in a tray and label connectors if necessary. Work on a flat surface and wear gloves for grip. Take photos of wiring before disconnecting to simplify reconnection. Check the new radio's dimensions and wiring harness compatibility. If installing an adapter, follow its instructions closely to avoid damaging factory wiring. Please subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful. I appreciate your support, and it helps me make more detailed guides. Quick recommendation: a book that can change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, which offers clear, calm advice for saving and investing. If you're upgrading car audio, saving smartly makes those upgrades easier. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Start by removing the trim around the radio using a plastic pry tool to prevent damage. Unscrew the mounting bolts with a 10mm socket and carefully slide the radio out. Disconnect antenna and wiring harness connectors by pressing release tabs, noting their positions. If clips resist, apply gentle heat to soften the dash plastic. Test speaker outputs and power before installing the new unit to verify wiring integrity and avoid rework.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.